So what you notice is that they are not strong enough to handle this flexibility or permutation of payment. So what happens, this is what causes problem, why a lot of people use computer and paper alongside each other. Because during the time they are closing their account, you find that either they have made all the payments, POS, they've posted POS for cash, and it's unchangeable, so they have to start sorting out all the POS separately to close the account, or sorting out all the cash separately and all of that. And once you have that kind of loophole feature, the staff at that point can take advantage of it. We don't want that, so we've built this flexibility. So now we can split the payment among the three options or two options. Let's try it for two options now. So under cash receipt, we'll come to cash. Just put your mouse on that and then you say 2,000 naira. Let's say 2,000 naira. Okay, you don't have to put comma. The system does indentation with comma on your behalf. So now we'll come to transfer received. Okay, and we'll say, now you can see the balance owed is now 45. We'll put 45 here. Okay, now as we put our mouse out, it will ask us which bank did the person transfer into. This doesn't mean it will transfer the money to your account immediately. This is your own ledgers of your bank account, so which you use in taking note of what has gone into your bank account. So you can say use First Bank, use this account. So you can see balance owed now is now 0. Okay, now we want to process this transaction now. Okay, now let's not forget, when we came here, the first thing we did was to search for franc. Then the system under B, you see A, search customer, which we type franc. Then B is, and when you type franc and click search, the system will bring out all the franc and include a link, an option for a new franc that you may want to create into the system, and then you have it under B. So B says select customer. So this was where we got the franc that we needed, the phone number, and we separated it from others by the phone number. Okay, and this is what brought out the name and all of that we already had in the system. And automatically, if you search out if you select a particular customer that is in the system before, if there is any balance accrued, the system will bring it out. E.g., in this case, 6,005. Okay, so amount, so which is the total invoice total plus previous balance will give you amount payable. So we have broken down the payment now into these options. So the next thing that we need to do now, as at this point, the system has not recorded our transaction, but for us to record the transaction into the server and process this transaction now, issue out a receipt, we can click on we need to click on this process billing and print receipt. Immediately when we do this now, our transaction is processing. Okay, so here it's giving us option to select a printer that we want to print, where we want to print, and this is the report that we have here at this moment. Okay, so let us stop here.